This Telegram mining bot you are seeing right here will make you over $1,000 in profit if you join early as of the time of watching this video. But before you do, I urge you to watch the video from the beginning to end, because I will be revealing some tips and tricks to further increase your profit in this new Telegram mining bot. Hi everyone, welcome back to KD Tech App channel, where I share you tips about apps, reviews, make money online strategies, and much more. If this is your first time coming across my channel, then I will endeavor you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive alert whenever I post new videos here every week. Now let's get started. This Telegram mining game we will talk about today is called Hamster Kombat, and I will show you why it is worth joining. Please check the video description for the link to the Telegram mining bot. Before we get started, do let me know in the comment section if you ever used any Telegram mining bot before and how well it did for you. First thing first, let me explain what Hamster Kombat is and how it works. Hamster Kombat is just like Hamster Kombat and Tapswap or Gemz mining bot, but with even bigger rewards because it is new and has fewer users. And to prove that to you, if you head on to the Twitter account, you can see they only have 15,600 plus followers at the moment right now. Now let me show you how you can join this bot step by step. And to do this, click on the first link in the video description and it will redirect you to your Telegram with this page. What you need to do next is to click on the start button here, and another web page will be loaded in the bot app. So on this web page, you will be asked your gender, whether you are female or male, and I will advise you to choose the right option because you don't know what might come ahead. When you are done with the selection, this is where you will get to the main page and start earning your rewards, just like in Hamster Kombat and Gemz mining bot or Tapswap. But for me to continue this video, I will please endeavor you to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please share it with your friends if you found it helpful. So let's continue. On this bot, we have features like tap to earn, profit per hour, levels, mining cars, auto mining, referral system, and much more might come along the long run, which will be similar to the Hamster Kombat or Gemz mining bot or Maybecoin or all other tap to earn bots in Telegram. And the ways you can earn in this Telegram bot is by tapping on your avatar right here to increase your coins, or buying cars to increase your profit per hour. That will mine you automatically for 4 hours. And also you can refer your friends to the program and earn rewards for it. And regarding the launch or listing date, they also have a website which shows their plans towards this project. If you head on to their website, which is grandkombat.io, you will be able to see the roadmap on which this project is moving on. So the first one here is in June, when the project started. So we have basic gaming, referral system, mining update, and level ratings. And in July, we have earning tasks, daily rewards, special cards, and daily combo. But the daily combo is yet to be released onto the game. And we have June and July events ongoing right now. So they are the ones that are currently ongoing right now. And the upcoming ones are in August and September. But the actual listing is in September. So with that being said, I will advise you to join this project right now before the mass flooding. Make sure to check the video description for all the links to the websites shown in this video. So I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I post videos here every week, so make sure to check back for more content like this. See you in my next video. Bye.